Hi there friends, this is Donna from Mason Creations ETC and welcome to my channel where it's all about Christmas ideas you can make right now. Join me while I make a cute Christmas window from a mini frame. If you're ready, let's make a mess. I got this cute little frame from Dollar Tree and I'm going to make it look like a window. I removed all the backing and interior pieces of cardboard. I cut out some mullion bars from balsa wood and I'm going to be gluing them on the inside. Now I'm going to paint the whole thing tan, and when that dries I'll spray it with some matte sealer to bond that first coat of paint to the frame. I actually have a video showing the importance of doing that when painting shiny surfaces. If you click the link up at the right hand corner, you can see that video. The matte sealer is dry and I'm sponging on a second coat of paint. I'm using some gel stain in walnut to add some wood grain, and I'm using the dry brush technique. I'm dipping a very coarse brush into the paint and wiping most of it off on a paper towel and then lightly brushing the surface. And after that dried, I gave it a coat of satin varnish. Now I'm going to add some antiquing medium, which will really make this look like wood. I'm brushing it on and then wiping it right off. After the antiquing dried, I added another coat of satin varnish. I'm going to make it seem like you can see a Christmas tree through this window. I'm cleaning the glass right now with some alcohol and then I'll glue a picture to it. I found these great papers on Amazon. They are so nice, the pictures are clear and beautiful. I'm using the Christmas bundle papers for this project and there are so many beautiful pictures. But they do have many other styles of paper. I'll leave a link for you in my description box. Make sure you check them out. I cut the tree picture to fit the glass. Now I'm wetting the paper with some water because it'll make it a little bit more pliable and it'll stick to the glass better. I'm using Mod Podge to glue it down. I made a mixture of some clear gloss varnish with some blue, silver, clear, and white glitter. I'm dabbing it around the edges of the window with a very stiff brush, and when it dries it'll look like there's frost on the window. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. By doing so, you help my channel to grow and reach more people out there. That way I can continue to bring all of you great tutorials. And thank you for doing that. Now it's time to glue the glass in place. I'm making a backing for the window using another one of those beautiful papers. I sprayed the stencil with stencil repositional adhesive and placed it on the paper. I'm using a stencil and some modeling paste to add a picture of a home on the back paper. And after applying my modeling paste, I let it dry for a couple of hours. I'm adding a hanger as I glue the backing on. I have a lot more Christmas videos coming up. Every week from now until Christmas. You'll want to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, make sure you click that bell. I added a coat of satin varnish to protect the stenciled artwork. This is the back of one of my silicone molds, and I'm going to use it to make some icicles, simply because nothing will actually stay stuck to it. I'm using some hot glue as my icicles. I tried to make them in a few different sizes. It's a winter scene, so gotta have icicles. And now we need to have some snowflakes too. The snowflakes in this mold are tiny and very delicate, so I'm using cream paste instead of clay. Once dried, it'll unmold much easier than the clay will. I let the cream paste dry overnight. I'm using an alcohol wipe to remove all of the excess cream paste from the top. And voila, beautiful little snowflakes. I'm using Delight clay to make a cute little bird and bell. I'm brushing the mold with a little bit of cornstarch so the clay will release easily. Now that the clay is dry, I'll paint them. I temporarily glued some stir sticks to the back so I'd have a little handle while I'm painting them. I painted the little bird to match an eastern bluebird, and I think he's so cute. I painted the bell gold with a red bow. After the paint dried, I gave both the bird and the bell a coat of satin varnish and let that dry for several hours. Now I'm going to antique them so that all the detail will show up. I'm painting on the antiquing medium and then wiping it off right away. And now it's time to put all of the parts together. I'm adding the little lights and twisting the cord a little bit as I'm putting them down so they look like they're strung all haphazardly around the window. I added the bird and the bell and put a little piece of chain going from the bird to the bell so it looks like the bird is carrying it. And then I added some icicles. I added some of those little snowflakes that I made here and there, and somehow I missed filming that. Sorry guys. But I'm adding a little bit of sparkle frost to them. And now we need some snow. I'm using Snow-Tex, and this stuff is great. When it dries, it looks just like snow. I'm adding some to the top of the window and the mullion bars. And then I decided that I should add a little bit of the snow to the bird, the bell, and the light bulbs. And what is an ornament without a bow? I found this cute ribbon at Dollar Tree. I made 4 loops, tied it in the center with some thin gold cord, and added some greenery. Then I glued the whole thing to the bottom of my window. I put together a playlist of all Christmas ornaments and other Christmas projects. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.